This is the California Construction Expo, the premier destination for anyone in the construction trade looking for work on state and local government projects.
This is the one day in the year where you have over 140 exhibitors representing the biggest construction contractors, public agencies, and a number of other support firms in one place.
Most people come to CalCon riding hopes of building highways, buildings, and bridges, or selling their products to agencies and contractors. But what they're really doing, the thing they can be proud of, is taking charge of their future.
Whether you're a large general contractor, a specialty trade subcontractor, supplier, or person looking for a job in the construction industry, this is the place to be.
CalCon Expo is open to anyone looking to start a business or eager to expand one. At CalCon, you'll find government contracting opportunities ranging anywhere from $5,000 to $100 million. So if you're asking yourself if you should attend the California Construction Expo, to you we say, you can't afford not to.
Over the next 10 to 15 years, we have $4 to $5 billion worth of capital improvement projects, starting with the Gerald Desmond Bridge, the Middle Harbor project, replacement of all of our rail infrastructure, and there's lots of smaller contracting opportunities. The port buys literally everything from pens to toilet paper to computers, professional services. We use environmental consultants. The list is endless.
Metro has quite a few areas that we cover. The regional rail, we cover the highway projects, we have light rail, and then we have about a $4.5 billion worth of capital projects that we have. And we're looking for subcontractors to help us.
Kiewit is a large, heavy horizontal contractor. We provide services for design and construction on roads, water, wastewater treatment facilities, power plants, large projects. Subs are an important part of Kiewit's business. They provide services that we don't provide and help build better teams for us to win projects.
The public agencies are one of the best places where diversity has taken hold over the years. We have the spirit in all of our contracts that we're interested in diversity. We let our contractors know that. They know in programs such as we're putting on at CalCon that we're in the process of networking and putting people together so that we can have opportunities for everyone in Southern California. They agree, diversity of all sorts, whether it be race, gender, or orientation. Veterans, all of it makes a difference and is of value to the workplace in the public sector.
Challenge is to mentor women in the construction industry. We do education. We also have scholarships. CalCon's a great venue for us to come to. We meet a lot of subcontractors and contractors, suppliers. It's a great way for us to get our name out into the industry, invite women to come to our meetings. The meetings are open to a woman regardless if she's a member or not.
Our company has two primary tiers of operation. One is disease management as it relates to infrastructure and technology. A lot of people don't realize that about 60% of all work-related illnesses are caused by contaminated equipment. So we bring in our guys to do technical equipment cleaning. But what makes us kind of unique is that we only use wounded warriors from Iraq and Afghanistan to perform all of our duties. So here at CalCon, they've actually helped us to reach kind of that dream goal of ours. You know, we're trying to put about 800 guys to work in the next 24 months. And by our exposure here at CalCon, I think that dream will come true.
We've got support firms to help you with your engineering, your architecture, bonding, insurance. All of the things that you need to grow your business are here in one place, and this is the place to be.
As a representative with the state of California, I do the certification. And once you get certified, you get put into a database. And right now there's only 20,000 in the database, and there are 3.5 million small businesses in the state of California. So you're in a preferred group.
Meriwether and Williams Insurance Services is a company that helps people get insurance and then also administers bond assistance programs. So a lot of barrier to entry for contractors coming from the private to public sector. So we help them get the bonding and then also explain the process and walk them through the steps.
Dun & Bradstreet Credibility Corp is the leader in the business credibility space. We help companies establish, monitor, and build their business credit and overall business credibility.
One of the signature highlights at CalCon is an event we call matchmaking. It gives small businesses and subcontractors an opportunity to meet one-on-one with prime contractors to see if they might partner on projects. It's CalCon's version of speed dating, except that here a 15-minute conversation could end with you landing a job.
We've had a lot of success in matching small businesses with primes that are doing a lot of our capital improvement projects at the three airports being LAX, LA, Ontario, and Van Nuys Airport. The projects include everything from modernization to renovation. And so these projects have been bringing in all kinds of trades.
It's really exciting because for me, matchmaking at this conference, I like the way they do it because not only do we learn about them, the small businesses learn about each other. We've met very good subcontractors and suppliers from this conference, and we've been able to use those subcontractors and suppliers, some of them nationwide, in our projects that we have ongoing at various areas in the United States.
We've been around for 35 years. We're a pump system specialist. This is actually our third time with CalCon. It's been a very good show for us. We're meeting purchasing agents, we're meeting engineers, we're meeting managers, people that are just good contacts for us to have relationships with to be able to further our business.
Fast Wrap is a shrink wrap containment contractor, and we use industrial shrink film to provide weatherization, abatement, demising walls for some of the country's largest contractors. Those contractors are here at CalCon. They attend. So Clark, Turner, Shimmick are customer of ours that attend this event, and we get to exhibit our products, our scaffold, our shrink wrap containment systems directly to them.
I'm here as the agency of record for CalCon Expo. We branded it 8 years ago, and we come every year to see how much it's grown. We create sales materials and websites, design and development, and social media marketing for the construction industry. So it's an invaluable tool for us also to be making connections here at CalCon.
Well, I think our first CalCon experience was about 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years. Time flies, so I'm not sure. But fortunately, since that time, we've been able to develop the relationship with Metropolitan Water District and parlay our contracts with them with a multitude of other public agencies across the state and actually across the country. So we've had expansive growth really as a result of our experience here at CalCon.
When it comes to planning for the future, the construction industry is always on the alert for technological breakthroughs that will improve productivity and reduce greenhouse emissions while saving time and money.
Our clients are always looking for the newest technology that can help their jobs, make it again efficient, more faster. CalCon is the place to introduce those new technologies. This is where clients, big companies, prime contractors will be looking at for the new tools of the trade. This truck is a commercial vehicle. It's a hauler, but it runs on hydrogen. That's a very amazing fact. This company has come to CalCon. Now prime contractors are looking. So this guy right here in CalCon is in the right place and at the right time.
What's really special about CalCon is that we can provide you with the tools you need to build a strong foundation in government contracting. What you build with those tools is limited only by how high you can dream.
We can help you get access to the people that make decisions. We can give you information on how to go through the myriad ways of getting contracts. We can't promise a contract, but we can open up the door for you.
I think what a lot of the subconsultants need to learn is how to do a better job using the expo and the conference to get work. I think what they need to do beforehand is use the resources that CalCon is putting out for them, all the names of the subs that are out there, all the names of the agencies that are going to be participating. They all have their lists of projects coming up, the list of the primes that are going to be participating, and come in with some specific examples of how you could help those primes win those upcoming projects for those clients.
Billions of dollars are already being spent on government construction projects, and billions more are on their way. The opportunities are here. There are people waiting to help you here. It's time to come here. Start building your future. Join us this year for CalCon Expo.